Smoothies. Yummy, right? What's not so yummy is the exhausting expedition you've got to go through before you can even say yummy. You've got to find, cut, slice, and dice to perfection. Most folks just give up. Now, that's no good. You know what's good? Budgie Smoothies, where we connect you to the fruit, the whole fruit, and nothing but the fruit. We do the hard work, delivering fresh smoothie bottles to your home or office daily so you can be on top of your game all day, every day. Our smoothies are pure, natural, healthy, no evil sugar, heating, or preservatives. We're the good guys, home to a unique combination of flavors and one flat monthly fee. Each smoothie is prepared a maximum of 2 hours before you dig in, because you wouldn't have it any other way. See that link over there? Hit it. Go on. Budgie dares you. A fresher, smoother tomorrow is just a click away with Budgie Smoothies.